Have you ever wanted to do a sew-in in 10 minutes? Yes, just 10 minutes. Stay tuned so you can see how to do a full sew-in with a closure in only 10 minutes. Okay, so I was online searching for a way to try to get sew-ins done more quicker because, like I said, I have carpal tunnel if you watch any of my other videos, and doing sew-ins, it cramps up my hands a lot now. Like, I used to do so many sew-ins like a couple years ago, like now, like it's kind of like caught up to me. So I came across a product called 10-minute sew-in. So when I saw this product, I'm like, this might be really good for me to use to try on some of my clients, because like I said, I can't sit there and do a sew-in for like an hour. You know, it's just too much stress on my hands. So I came across a product called 10-minute sew-in. Basically what it is, it's almost similar to a upart wig, but it's very breathable. So the way that it's sewn on is meant for it to be breathable. So like a regular sew-in, you'll still be able to get your fingers through the tracks. If you want to still oil your scalp, you still can oil your scalp just like a regular sew-in. It's not like a upart wig. A upart wig has clips on it. A upart wig is made on a full net. Even though it's breathable, you can't get your fingers through it. You can't really manipulate a upart wig the way you can manipulate this particular unit. So this is really set up like how you would do your typical sewing. So I decided to try that out. The front of the unit, it comes on a lace, like a black lace. So when you sew it down to the front, to the edges in the front, it's really flat. So that's like a great benefit, other than getting a regular sewing and bending the tracks back and forth, or you cutting it and it's a little bulky in the front. This is going to be really flat in the front. So they also have a closure too. They have closures, and the closures have little tabs on them. So with this, you sew on the tabs. You sew down the tabs instead of sewing down the rim of the closure, so it's a lot easier to sew down. So yeah, this was really good. I had blow dried this out, so it's a little straight. I bleached the knots on it already, so we're going to get ready to install this. So I'm just going to braid her hair down just like I was braiding it for a regular sew-in with a closure. So I'm going to start with a part in the middle because she's going to wear a middle part. So traditionally with a regular sew-in, you know, you have to sew on the wefts. So that's really what takes up the bulk of the time when doing a sew-in. And it creates more tension on the hair. Sometimes if you sew too tight, you get them little white bumps in the back of your hair, or it can lead to balding, or I guess a lot of people do sew-ins improperly. Sew-ins are meant to help your hair grow, but for some reason, a lot of people have like damaged hair because of sew-ins, and I guess because people sewing improperly. So with the 10-minute sew-in, this is very simple. Somebody can do it themselves. Somebody that's, you know, not fluent in doing sew-ins all the time, this would be very good for them to do. And it's definitely going to create less tension, because you definitely don't have to pull really tight when doing a sew-in. But a lot of people tend to pull on the hair in the track really tight when sewing on just a regular weft of hair. So with this 10-minute sew-in method, you won't have any of that. And also taking the sewing down, you know, that definitely can be time consuming, and a lot of people cut their hair off when taking their hair down, taking all these tracks out and stuff. So it'll definitely reduce time, so you don't have to take out your sewing, and your unit will be all in one, so you can just reuse it again. And then I'm just going to use these, so this way is a lot better because you're not going to put holes inside of the lace, so you can definitely take this off and put it back on. So this is definitely an easier method of sewing on the closure. So I'm going to sew on the closure first, and then I'm going to put the unit on and sew that down. I'm going to sew down these tabs first because that's going to create the tension, so I don't have to sew down the top. These tabs also allow you to lay your closure super flat without having to sew on an elastic band, so you'll get that natural hairline in the front without any lifting, and it also saves you time in preventing tears in the front of the closure. And when you're sewing on, make sure you don't pull your closure back too much because it will pull the front of the closure back, and you definitely don't want that. The unit I have, it is 8.5 ounces. It's 14, 16, and 18 inches, and it's just regular brown. They have what you get if you ever forget. They have it inside on the tab, so it's easy for you to, see. The unit is very stretchy, so I'm going to sew on this front, and I'm going to sew down the tabs, and then that's basically it. So I'm just going to sew that down to the edges all around. But actually, I'm going to sew the top down first. If you don't know how to do sew-ins or you have trouble doing sew-ins, definitely we recommend getting this product to do the sew-ins for your clients. So I finished sewing her unit down. This is a nice flat method, and literally it took me like 5 minutes. It didn't even take me 10 minutes. And I only used 2 needles, so I did not have to thread 1,000 needles. I only used those 2, which is really, really cool, really, really convenient. So I'm just going to style it. Not sure how I'm going to style it, but I'm going to style it, and I'll probably pluck the part a little bit in the closure, and then that'll be it. So make sure you guys check out Hollywood 10-Minute Sewing if you want to get more sewing in during your workday. It's really, really good for that. And it was really, really easy to put on, and it was actually under 10 minutes. I'm going to leave some links in the description box for you to check out the website and check out the different types of hair they have, so you can refer your clients to purchase some hair, or you purchase it because you can definitely install it yourself. Make sure you guys check out my Instagram at Filthy Rich Tresses and like my Facebook page, and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a question or comment. Thank you all for watching.